So I got a drone for Christmas, and we're gonna see if we can figure it out a little bit and get some skating footage. There. We scratched it a little bit in our house because we crashed it into the wall and the white paint came off onto the drone. So these are the propeller protectors. You just pop them on right there, and then the propellers won't get damaged. Well, they can still get damaged, but they won't get damaged as easily. Yeah. This is the remote. We have a few extra batteries. It came with 4 extra propellers in case they fall off and you lose them. We already broke one. We were trying it outside, but it was too windy and the wind took it. It just got tangled up in a tree and then fell from like 20 feet, and then a propeller broke. So, you move this controller up to make the drone fly up, and then push it down to make it land. And then this one is forwards, backwards, left, and right. And then you use this one. When you go left and right with this one, it'll turn the drone around in the air, so it'll like film different areas, or you can make it like come back to you by turning it around.
All right, you ready to start it up?
Yep. You need to turn both of them on in a certain order. You need to turn the remote on first. Otherwise it won't work. I don't know why, but that's just what happens. So you click the up button and then do the down button. And then
Oh, sure.
So this is a very lightweight, sturdy drone. It can take some pretty hard impact, but unfortunately that makes the batteries not last super long. But it can go high and far and fast.
Yeah.
And it's pretty strong. So I just got this drone yesterday. It's very simple to learn, and I am gonna try flying it from here and landing it on that chair over there.
I'll smell, ma'am. didn't turn black.
So if it hits something hard enough, it'll just do an automatic shutdown. So say I'm trying to land it on the chair, I would fly it over here, and if it bumps it right there, the whole thing would just turn off and fall. So now we're gonna try filming some skating with the drone. So the camera is right here.
Let me zoom in.
It's adjustable. It can make it film the bottom of it or in front. Should get a pair of these babies. Look how grippy those are. Hi.
Hi.
In this space.
Get it to hover.
I'm filming Julian. Now it's only filming me. Say hi.
Hi.
Bye. 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 I still filmed it. I'm still filming you.
I wanna take a break from skating.
I'm gonna keep filming with this on a drone.